Hi, guys, here is T-Top Capable channel. This video will introduce how to factory reset iPad without iTunes. If your iPad shows iPad unavailable or security lockout because you've forgotten your passcode or entered the passcode incorrectly multiple times, you need to reset your disabled iPad to its factory settings so that you can unlock iPad without passcode. However, it should be noted that while factory resetting iPad will allow you to access iPad again, it will also delete all data and settings from iPad. Now let's get started. The first way to factory reset disabled iPad without iTunes is to use the Erase iPad feature. Erase iPad is a feature that comes with iPad running iPadOS 15.2 or later. And it does not require computer to reset your iPad. However, there are some requirements that need to be met to use it. First, your iPad should run with iPadOS 15.2 or later version. And your Apple ID and password will be needed. Besides, your disabled iPad should have a stable internet connection. If you meet these requirements, then let's continue. Keep entering the wrong passcode multiple times on your iPad. When you see iPad unavailable or security lockout on the screen, tap on the Erase iPad option at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPad again at the bottom on the Delete All Content and Settings screen. Then, enter your Apple ID and password to sign out of the iCloud account. Once the passcode has been verified correctly, the process of factory resetting the iPad will start automatically. And you will see an Apple logo and a white progress bar on the iPad screen. Okay, wait for the reset process to complete. See, now your iPad will restart with Hello screen. Then you can follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPad. If you have previously backed up your iPad data on your computer or iCloud, when you go to the App and Data step, you can recover the deleted data from backup. The second way to reset your iPad without iTunes is to use Find My function. iCloud not only has the ability to locate and find a lost iPad or iPhone, it can also remotely erase your device. As long as your disabled iPad has Find My enabled and have an internet connection, this method will work for you too. Well, now go to iCloud.com on your browser and sign in with your Apple ID credentials. Okay, on this main iCloud page, choose Find My option to go on. Click on All Devices at the top of this map and you will see all the devices associated with this Apple ID account. Now select your disabled iPad from the list. Then a window will pop up with three options. Choose Erase iPad to continue. Alright, click Erase to start the factory reset process. In addition, if you have an extra iPad or iPhone, you can also reset your iPad by using Find My app. Open Find My app. Now select your unavailable iPad in the Devices section and tap on the Erase this device option. Then follow the instructions to complete the remaining steps to reset your disabled iPad. If the first two methods don't work, you can reset your iPad without iTunes and passcode via iPhone Unlocker. It's a safe and secure tool that solves problems with iPhone or iPad passcodes, including screen passcodes, screen time passcodes, and Apple ID. And iPhone Unlocker lets you reset your device with just a few clicks. Okay, let's see how it works. Download and launch the iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Alright, choose Wipe Passcode from the menu and then hit Start. Then connect your iPad to your computer with a USB cable. If your disabled iPad isn't recognized by the software, click the Device Connected but Not Recognized link and follow the guide to put your iPad into recovery mode. Now you need to check your iPad's information. After the confirmation, hit the Start button to download the suitable firmware package for your iPad. Once done, a warning box will appear. After reading the content carefully, type 0000 in the blank file and click Unlock to start resetting your iPad. The whole process won't take long. Great! When the progress shows 100%, you will be able to access your iPad again without passcode. Okay, that's all for today. Hopefully, these 3 methods will help you reset your disabled iPad without iTunes successfully. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.